welcome to Matt's Midlife Crisis. My name's Matt. Today we're going to be doing a customised card holder. The design's based around the world famous city ground. The wallet's the ridge pattern, and we're going to be engraving on all of the sides of it. For this engraving session we're going to be doing a dithered pattern and then the logo. The logo we're going to be doing cross-hatched, just helps hide those lines. And then we'll repeat the pattern again just around the outside perimeter of all the lettering. It just helps to tidy up all the finishing edges from the straight lines on the crosshatch. So we're coming up towards the end of the image design now. About to start the lettering, coming up with the first horizontal sweep, back over for the vertical, and that finishing up. Now onto the back plate. This is a nice piece of black anodized. Gives us the chance to go over it in a couple of different ways. This inner piece is cross-hatched again, but we're running it at a slightly cooler temperature, going over it twice. Then for the outer perimeter we finish it off half the speed, right up there on max temperature. I'll show you at the end the effect this gives us. It almost makes it look annealed. And for the last bit on this back piece, a little slogan. We'll just about make it out now. Come on, you Reds! And now for the last piece. Really do need to invest in a clamp, but for now, a couple of pieces of slate will do. Repeating pattern of the club emblem all the way along the top edge. A bit like them flash handbags you can get. So there we have it, final product. Let me know what you think in the comments. They will be available to buy in the shop. They should be live now by the time this video gets uploaded. And one last little thing, quickly, we'll have a look at the finish on there. Hopefully you can make it out on the video. I do like the way you can have a little play with the speed and the temperatures to get those little combinations of finishes. So, thanks for your time, thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, give it a like and a subscribe. Until next time, take care.